For the adiabatic process, if you look in the PV diagram, it will be something like this. It looks similar to the isothermal process, but the slope is more steep. So you can have the volume change, pressure change, and also temperature change. So everything for the thermodynamic parameter can be changed. Then from the equation, delta U equal to Q minus W. But for the adiabatic, you have an insulated system, so no heat exchange. Then the internal energy change equal to the work. Then if we put the internal energy equal to NCV delta T and work equal to P delta V, change from the parameter delta into differentiate dt and dv. And another idea, for the ideal gas model, you have PV equal to nRT. You differentiate this equation, you have PdV and VdP equal to nRdT. You substitute equation 1 into equation 2. Then you have PdV plus VdP equal to nR times minus PdV divided by NCV. And N is cancelled out. Then you multiply this equation by 1 over PV and substitute R equal to Cp minus Cv. Then you have this relation dV by V plus dP by P equal to Cp minus Cv over Cv times minus dV over V. From the last slide, we have this relation. Then if we define gamma is Cp over Cv, then we can make the equation more simple as dV by V plus dP by P equal to 1 minus gamma times minus dV by V. We rearrange the equation. This will be cancelled. We can have dP by P plus gamma dV by V equal to 0. And from this, you take log on both sides, or if you indicate this equation from both sides, you have log P plus gamma log V equal to A, where A is an arbitrary constant. Then by the property of log, you have log PV over gamma, power gamma equal to A, or PV power gamma is constant. So if it becomes constant, you can define that for the state 1 and state 2, you have a relation between P1 V1 power gamma equal to P2 V2 power gamma, and you substitute the ideal gas model for PV equal to nRT. Then you have P as nRT1 over V1 and nRT2 over V2 times V2 power gamma. From this equation, you can combine V1 power gamma divided by V1 and V2 power gamma divided by V2 as V1 power gamma minus 1 and V2 power gamma minus 1. And for this, NR is cancelled out. You have T1 and T2. So for the adiabatic process, you have two equations that you can use. If you know the pressure and volume, you can use this relation. If you know temperature and volume, you can use this relation. So from the definition of work in adiabatic process, the work is related to the internal energy change, because for the adiabatic process is a process, thermodynamic process for the isolated system. So you have no thermal energy exchange, and you have NCV dt equal to minus dW. Then we can integrate this equation at W equal to minus integrate from T1 to T2 of NCV dt. Then we have work W equal to minus NCV times T2 minus T1. And for the work, you have W equal to PdV. Then you do integrate from V1 to V2, and you substitute P as a constant times V power minus gamma, because from the adiabatic process we have P times V power gamma equal to constant. Then we can substitute P as a K times constant K times V power minus gamma. So from this you can do integrate as this. So you have work W in adiabatic process equal to constant times V power 1 minus gamma divided by 1 minus gamma, and you substitute the state V2 and V1 into the equation. You have this. Then from this you can calculate for the work as P2 V2 minus P1 V1 divided by 1 minus gamma for the adiabatic process.